Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your speaker Realme Pocket. Before we start, I wanna say that I customized gestures a little bit. I'm just add a function for touch and hold. I will tell you about it later. Now let's go to Spotify. If I press one time on multifunctional button, I will play or pause the song. Now I play the song, and if I press again, I will pause the song. If I press two times on multifunctional button, I will play next song. Here we go, and if I press three times, I will play previous song. Here we go. Now, if I press and hold multifunctional button, I will call a Siri or Google Assistant if I have Android. Here we go. Now, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on multifunctional button. Let's test it. And if I press again, then I can reject the call. So now I answer, and I press again to reject the call. Let's go. Now, if I press two times on power button, I will play game mode. So let's check it in the application. Yeah. Here we go. And also you can turn off and turn on the speaker if you press and hold two times on power button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.